In this video, I am going to show you how to earn money with YouTube even without being monetized on YouTube. And I am going to show you each and everything in a practical way so that you can implement each and everything right after watching this video. And this is not some kind of theoretical knowledge, okay? I am actually going to show you how this method will work for you and for anybody who implements it. So watch this video till the end. And if you are new to my channel, then please do subscribe to my channel. Now, as you can see in my screen, this is some of the ad revenue from YouTube. I've never thought that YouTube will become one of my income source in the future while creating this channel, okay? I just love to create the videos and the tutorial and put it on YouTube. However, I knew at that time YouTube also gives the creator ad revenue, but I was never in that mindset of earning money from YouTube. But as I can see, recently I have got monetized before like 2-3 months, and it is a good start of generating ad revenue from YouTube. And I thought I can help other people also make this kind of channel and help with YouTube stuff with the knowledge and experience that I have gained by creating this and other YouTube channel. So that's why I'm creating videos related to YouTube for some time, and if I see there is any scope for me to help people in this sector, then I'll definitely be helping. So please do subscribe to my channel and do like this video. And now, without doing any delay, let's get into our core topic. So firstly, what I want you to do is I'm going to show you practically, okay, with proof, how you can do this method and earn money from YouTube without even being monetized. So first thing you need to do is search on Google for export option affiliate program, and then visit to this link, export option affiliate program. Now you will reach to this kind of interface, okay? So this is an affiliate program where you can get up to 70% revenue share. So if an export option earns $100, then you are going to get $70 from their profit, okay? Or what you can do is you can also sign up with their CPA, cost per action basis, and if they get a paid client from you, okay, then you can earn up to $1,000 for one client. So now this is basically affiliate program, affiliate marketing, and this expert option is something where people come to trade binary options, forex, cryptocurrency, and so on, okay? So your thing is just to bring people to this platform. Now if you don't want to create any YouTube videos by yourself, then there is an option for that also, but it will cost you money. But if you want to create it by yourself, then there is also one of the easiest way that I'm going to show you in this video. So keep on watching this video. So firstly, you need to click on become an affiliate or open an account and sign up to your this export option affiliate program, and then get your specific affiliate link, okay? It is extremely simple to get that. You can easily do it. So now once you get your affiliate link, now you need to bring people to this export option, okay? Now for that, what you need to do is just go to YouTube and search for create export option, and you will see a auto suggestion that is how to create export option account. So that means people are searching how they can create export option account. If you click on it, then you will see this kind of search result. Now you can see this is the tutorial that I have created 1 year ago, okay? And I have taught people how to create export option account and verify it easily, okay? Now if I click on this video, then it will look like this, and as you can see here, I have given visit official site of export option. So what I am showing people here is how they can create and verify their export option account, and then I have kept the affiliate link at here. Now whenever someone clicks on it and create their account on export option, then I will get paid either on CPA basis or revenue sharing basis. So this is as simple as this to do affiliate marketing and earn money with YouTube without even being monetized. Now the question comes, how you can create this kind of video? Now you can just click on this share button and copy this link, okay? And then, or you can even go to any other video that you think is good than that, okay? So you can just copy that video and go to Google and type Fiverr, Fiverr, and click on this Fiverr and create your account on Fiverr. So this is a marketplace where you can hire people in order to do work for you, okay? So you have already copied the link of this video. Now just sign up to this fiverr.com and then visit to Fiverr, log into Fiverr, okay? and then just click on this and then click on post a request. Or what you can even do is, let's exit it and then click on here and then click on manage request. Just click on it, any process you can do, okay, and then click on post a request. So what you are going to do here is, you are going to hire someone in a cheap price in order to recreate this exact video that you have copied the link by clicking on share. Okay, so just click on post a request and then just describe the service you are searching for, meaning just type, I want someone to create a tutorial related to creating an account on some website that I'll explain later. You can type that kind of. Now after that, people will start to send you the offer. Okay, I will do it for this much dollar, I will do it for that much dollar. Okay, they will do, and then see which person have a good amount of reviews and rating, and just hire them. Okay, so now I'll quickly show you how you can do this. Just click on post a request. Now you'll see this kind of interface. Now you need to describe the service that you need at here. So it is extremely simple. So you can simply type like, I am looking for someone who can create a tutorial video related to creating an account on a website or platform. Okay, so whatever you need, just type that thing at here and then scroll below and click on choose a category. So just scroll below and click on this video and animation. Similarly, in select subcategory, just scroll below and find for screencasting videos. Okay, this one, and select it. Now how fast you need the delivery, you can select it. Okay, so I would normally suggest you to give either 3 days. If you are in hurry, you can also give it in 24 hours. Okay, that's your choice. So let's give it 24 hours. Now how much you want to pay them for creating, you can put any budget like $10, $15, $20, sorry, $20. How many budget you want, however whatever budget you want to put, you can put it. Okay, now once you do this much, then you can simply click on this submit request, and once your request your request is approved, then you will start to receive the offer. But in the meantime, this Fiverr will show you some suggestion on people who are going to do similar type of jobs at here. So now what you can do is, you can even click on any of these and hire them directly also, or you can use the search bar to search for the people who are creating screencasting videos, okay, or screen recording videos, and hire them directly. So that is the process that you can follow, but it will be a little bit lengthy process. So this is the process that would be best. Okay, go to manage request and post a request. So now if you again click on this manage request, then you will see your request is at pending. So now after some time, Fiverr will approve this request, and then it will go to active, and you will start to receive lots of offer from different people. Just hire them, okay, according to their budget and the budget that they show. Like some may create that video for $15, then that's good. Okay, hire them if their ratings are good. And if that person is best at creating this kind of video that you want to create, then you can keep on hiring that person for lifelong. So now this is not just the end. Okay, so I showed you about the expert option. Now expert option is a platform where people come to trade binary options. Okay, so I have already told you about that in the starting of this video. Now what you can do is, you just cannot create one single video and keep quiet and sit here. So what you need to do is just search on Google for expert option alternative, and then scroll below and see. You can go with this also. Okay, or what you can do is, you can just go with this top 10 best binary options broker and trading platforms. Okay, or if there are top 20, top 15, you can go with those, and then just open that and see what are the other platform that has similar type of affiliate program. So for example, here you can see it is written pocket option. Now just check, okay, if pocket option has an affiliate program. So just type on Google pocket option affiliate program, and as you can see here, there is the affiliate program of pocket option also. So you can open this pocket option affiliate program and join their affiliate program. Similarly, you can join this binary cents race option IQ option affiliate program, and then create all of the how to create and verify account on this platform. Okay, you can create videos related to all of this. Now I have showed you the way that you can paid way that you can use to create video for your YouTube channel in order to make money without even being monetized on YouTube. So now there is another way, okay, that is more simple than this, and it is going to be extremely helpful for you for lifelong. Okay, now I'm going to show you that. Just click on the link that I have given in the description of this video and you will be redirected to this course where I have shown you how you can create a free screen recording video by using OBS Studio and Boya by M1Y. This is the exact setup that I have used to create this entire video, and also the video that where I have shown you how shown people on YouTube how to create export option account and verify it. So now what you can do is you can watch that export option video, and then or what you can do is you can directly go to export option official site and then create all the account and try to verify it by yourself, and then create a tutorial video on how other people can create this export option account and verify it, okay, by learning from this course. Now not only that much, okay, you can go on YouTube and just type create account on, and you can see you can create account on Upwork. If there is affiliate program of Upwork, you can promote it. Also create account on Fiverr. Yes, of course Fiverr do have an affiliate program. You can teach people on how to create Fiverr account. Similarly, you can keep on doing all of these, okay, and if all of this finishes, then you can just type A, B, C, D, E, and you'll keep on getting lots of topic on the same keyword, same type of keyword, due to which your YouTube video view will also explode if you can create this kind of video in a way that people can actually create the account that you are teaching. Okay, so in that way you can keep on making money on YouTube without even being monetized in the start, and later when it is monetized, then also you are going to get massive amount of view, due to which you can keep on earning with YouTube partner program also. So guys, altogether this much I wanted to show you in this video. If you think this video was helpful for you, then please do like this video. Take care. Bye bye.